Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia G10 to Realme device. First of all, open Play Store on both smartphones. Then you need to click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, download this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, go with Receive on Realme and Send on Nokia. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send, just for example. Then click Got it, and from here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Realme, tap on Allow and point Realme's camera at the QR code. Then we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into File Manager, clicking on, in my case, Photos and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!